Society say man fi strong, man fi never show no tears. But me heart full up of pain, me been fighting through the years. Them say all it in be tough, never show them how you feel. But inside me breaking down, still me searching for something real. If me cry, who gon' see me? If me fall, who gon' care? Me been drowning in a silence, can't find nobody there. So me crying at the darkness, hide my face from every eye. But Jah hear me when me calling, even when me ask him why. Jah wipe me tears when nobody then near. When the world turn them back, you still show say you care. Jah wipe me tears, take away my fear. When me weak and me broken, you remind me still here. Me been walking through the shadows, trying to carry all the load. Every burden getting heavier, still me travel down the road. Me tired for pretend strong, when my soul just want release. So me kneel down and surrender, now me heart to find some peace. Me cry out, no shame, no. Let the healing start tonight. Every day become a prayer, Jah guide me to the light. Jah wipe me tears when nobody then near. When the world turn them back, you still sure say you care. Jah wipe me tears, take away my fear. When I'm weak and I'm broken, you remind me still here. Me not hide no more pain, me not run from the truth. Jah build me from the broken, turn my sorrow into proof. Through the tears me find my strength, through the hurt me find my vibe.